guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a YouTube video, right? And so join my group where I'm going to be doing most of my giveaways. My giveaways on this. Not most of them, all of them. I don't know why I said most of them. Now, pick one from the comments down below. And it's called the Men and Women Potatoes. And buy my merch so I can get my funds up and donate the Robux. So, let's get started with the video. Yes, finally an intro that I did not get so cringy. Okay, we're going to play Prison Life. Oh gosh. Oh. I posted a good video, but I posted it on someone else's channel or my channel. I don't know. I deleted the video because I thought I already posted it, but apparently not. Okay. I'm filming! Good! Go! Let me do something real quick. Random player. Just kidding, LMAO, laughing my A word off. Okay. It's fine. Can you get out of the kitchen? I told you I'm filming and my mic is on. I have a mic. It's on free time, so free time is when we escape and get guns. So, I'm gonna try to punch her. Girl, bye. Does it look like I'm from the hood, I think. Mom? Mama? Is down here the hood? Who? Is down here where we live? Is it the hood?
Down here where we live, what?
The hood.
No. Don't live in no damn hood.
Isn't this the hood? Okay, now it's time to escape this freaking thing. I hate this thing. So we're gonna go. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys how to escape. You get a hammer from underneath that bench outside, and then you just smack the toilet in your cell. And then you can go in the sewers and escape. So it's gonna be easy when we get caught because I wanna go back here. Okay, so then we're going to go do what you gonna do with the lead. I'm gonna do lead. What you gonna do with a knee? I'm gonna do a knee. Gotta go running all the way down here and you'll be escaped. Well, I gotta go. We're just gonna reset because we are. Oh, I'm an inmate. Well, you guys know how to escape this prison life. Which I just made this avatar because I had to hurry for this video. So, let's see about avatars like those girls. Because people are really racist on this game. My avatar. All day. Oh crap! No, not shoot me. Shoot him or her, whatever the crap. No, but not me. No. Oh my god! What happened this morning? What? Was the same thing. Got kicked from the server. Now what we're gonna play is Hide and Seek Extreme or Vehicle Simulator Beta. I'm not gonna play Vehicle Simulator Beta because I always get kicked. Oh my god. I just went almost down my throat. Follow me on Musical at Abby_you-know-me. And at the end,